So when you protect the sheet, then it actually does not allow you to change any data. How to protect? Point your mouse pointer on the particular sheet that you want to protect. Right click, protect sheet. Then you have to put a password. Anything. Say ABC is my password. Click OK. Re-enter password ABC. Okay, now this particular sheet is protected. What do you mean by protection? By protection, you actually cannot, it means it becomes a read-only file, read-only sheet. So you cannot change any data in this particular sheet. Suppose here it is written 6, I want to change it. I press 7, say for example, I get a warning message that you cannot change, it's a read-only file. I want to change this particular Lifebuoy soap, I want to write simple, you cannot change it. So this particular sheet becomes protected. So that is sometimes we need to share sensitive information with somebody, and then if this happens that there is a potential that with whom you are sharing it, the person can change the data. The ideal is that you lock the sheet first and then send it to that person, if the read-only format works. Right now I have protected the sheet in the file multiple worksheets, right? It is in the file multiple worksheet. Now if I change this, if I transfer this protected sheet, let us see that whether this protection remains or not. So I want to transfer it, move or copy, right? I click move or copy. I want to transfer it to a different file called class1.xls. I want to create a copy. Where do I want to move it? Before classwork. So first sheet, click OK. Right now this is my classwork file, class1. See, task operator file is transferred here. This is which particular sheet? The sheet which was protected in our initial Excel file, that is multiple worksheets. Now let us see whether that protection remains here or not. 35, I want to change it to anything. Say I try to write anything, I get a warning message. So that means this particular sheet is protected. So this is a very useful tool, which is available in Excel. Now next after that is tab color. If I want to change these tab colors, like I have two task operators here, task operator 2 and task operator 1. To differentiate, suppose I want to change the first one to green, right, and I want to change the second one. So I put my mouse pointer here, right, first select the sheet, then right click, then tab color, right. Suppose I want to make it yellow, right. So my sheet colors, my tab sheet colors have changed. First one is dark green, first one is this task operator is dark green. So when it is closed, I can identify the color. When it is open, I cannot identify the color. So this color identified means these sheets are closed. Only white one means this is open, right? So I can change all the colors like this. Suppose next one I want to make it blue, next one I want to make it, say for example, orange, this one I want to make, say for example, red. So I have now different colors for different sheets. If you want, you can hide a particular sheet also, but this is not terribly useful. So if you just click on hide, these sheets are not there. Now anywhere on these particular sheets, you just right click, there is an unhide option. Once you click unhide, then it is showing that which particular sheet is actually hidden sheet. So task operator sheet is hidden sheet. Click OK, right? Then the sheets are again with you can see the sheets, it is unhided. If you want to select all the sheets together, right, these all the sheets together are selected. If you want to make a copy, etc., then I mean together with all the sheets, then it is done. So this is what operating with multiple sheets, this is very useful. When we work with data, there may be some X or Y sheet which are useful and which may be required to transfer in a different Excel file. So this is what we actually use this kind of multiple worksheets for. Okay, thank you.